Well, I don't expect you'll be able to see very much because it's still dark. It's almost 5 a.m. on Sunday morning, holiday weekend. So not having as much traffic as we usually would have on the other days. I'm really just taking the recording for the birds. And that's the direction that the sun will come up. But won't see that unless I take another one later. We're getting close to the longest day of the year, and so I really love the morning times at this time of year because the birds start singing so early. They start singing actually before the traffic because it's a very busy area here. I can actually hear them. It's really nice. Lennon likes it too.